This is a 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, and not many miles on it. And after the car wash, we're getting alarms for the rear brake light, actually the turn signal. So we had to go online and order a new one. I actually got a used one on eBay because there are no bulbs inside of this. When you take this apart, what looks like a plug for a bulb for a socket is actually the extension of the wiring harness inside. These are LEDs, they're sealed. I'm not aware of any way to take this apart and replace components inside. Maybe there is a way. If you know of something that I'm missing, please feel free to post on that. So the first thing we have to do is remove this small cover here. This just pops out. You can see that it goes underneath of the trim. That's it. And we have one Torx bit to take off. And let's see what that is. T30 fits snugly in there. And then you want to pull this out and away. I'm just going to pop this out like that. And then go into my plug here, pull this red tip clip back, push this down. Might be a little bit easier if we roll this out of the way. So I'm going to push this tab down, unplug. Onto our new one. I'll plug this back in. And then push the red cap back in. There we go. Nice and secure. Carefully flip this back around. And then you can see here we have 3 metal prongs that line up with the inserts inside. Just gonna push those back in. Secure. And then our Torx bit goes back in. Now this is like 180 inch-pounds max torque, which is very little. So I'm just giving it a light snug. That's it. So once we're done, make sure clean up the area a little bit here. Two clips here, pop into that, but this does need to go up and under, just as we took it off, around the trim, and make sure it's in there. Yep, everybody's tight. That's it.